Hi everyone, I am Irfan Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel the Forex Nexus. Today we are going to analyze the Dow Jones, Gold, GBPUSD, usdjpy and especially GBPCAD, GBPAUD and Cadchf on high time frame as well as on a small time frame. First start from the US 30. On US 30 we got a re-entry on H4 time frame. MA 510 high after the momentum. H1 you can see here. Now this is in codes this is called RR. And let me check on M15E. It means that re-entry on H4 time frame, re-entry on H1 time frame, and extreme on M15. So this is it's called RRE. Re-entry, extreme. H4 re-entry, H1 re-entry, and M15 re-entry. Now on daily time frame we need to check. We have a space here. We got candlestick direction. Now it can hit the low BB. Almost we have 500 pips space here on US 30, but today is Friday. Maybe the market can reverse, and we have also possibility for the re-entry daily. But on H4 time frame, as you can see, the Bollinger band is still expanding. It means that the market can drop further, but it didn't break the candles. The 4 candle closed inside the MA 510 low. It means that the market can reverse on H1 time frame. It's squeezed, but we will also look for a re-entry on H4 time frame. Remember this, because the trend is still bearish. At this point we will catch our entries. On H1 we must need extreme. You can see on top BB the area which we marked. So focus on Dow Jones. On M15 we need extreme here. Okay, we need extreme here or MLV here. So this is US 30. Keep it on priority, top priority. Gold. This is gold, as I explained in the last video. You can watch. If you are interested and it's looking good to you, please must subscribe our channel. If you are new to our channel, must subscribe our channel, because the bbma free course is available on our channel, and you can watch, you can learn, and if you have any question directly you can contact us. Now this is gold. In previous video we discussed daily re-entry on MA 510 low. At this point H4, here we got the nuclear setup. On H1 time frame we got extreme plus MLV at this point. So this is a good setup. Now it's coming down for re-entry H4, but this will consider the RRE, re-entry extreme, because on H1 it will just make down to the middle band, or if it got rejection from the EMA 50, so it will be considered extreme advance. Then we will confirm it on M15. At the moment M15 looking strong bearish. Break the EMA 50, no sign of extreme, so we can catch the re-entry sell for the moment at the MA 510 high on the gold chart M15. Now let's move to GBPUSD. H4 re-entry was valid. Yesterday we posted it on our channel. Went 70 to 80 pips. Now it's looking that it's coming for daily re-entry. I'm sure it will come for daily reentry. Why? Because on H4 time frame we got extreme plus MLV, looking MLV, because the Bollinger bands getting flat on H1 time frame. Yeah, sure. What's going on weekly? Yep, the market can retrace for the daily re-entry. So today is Friday, the market will drop for the re-entry, and you can see here. After that we will make confirmation here and we will take this trade. On USDJPY, looking for reversal. No, it's still a bearish trend. This can drop further. Supply and demand traders can have opportunity here, because the continuation pattern, it's a demand zone here. So, but on bbma the market can retrace back for a re-entry, and we need confirmation here. On Audusd, best H4 re-entry is forming. Let's check out. Yeah, definitely extreme form. We got rejection from EMA 50 on M15. Yes, that's a re-entry. Let's take a small trade here. For today's Friday, maybe it can hit stop loss, but trading is the game between possibility and probability, so losses can happen. H4, yeah, looking for re-entry, but I think it may break. Here we need to test the low band on H1 time frame in 15, extreme plus MLV, looking for re-entry. We need to hit the MA510 low, then maybe we can confirm it. On GBPAUD, same scenario, re-entry, the take profit will be here. $160 pips. We need to hit this low BB or extreme plus MLV, but I think it can rise here. It can rise here. Let's take a small trade here. Take profit. Stop loss. Below the wick, remember, below the wick. Yeah, sure. Yes, perfect, right? Cadchf, turning back. Yeah, turning back for re-entry on daily time frame. Next week it will drop more. Next week I'm 100% sure can drop back more. On daily time frame it may go up for a re-entry here at this point, then we will make confirmation on H4. Definitely we will get this setup. The Bollinger will drop and it will be maybe it get rejection from the EMA 50. So this is daily overview of Dow Jones. Wait for the re-entry H4, gold H4 re-entry, GBPUSD waiting for daily re-entry, Euro USD wait and analyze, weekly re-entry. We need drop here. Waiting for the re-entry GBPCAD, GBPAUD and Cadchf. So this is a daily overview. If you are new to our channel, please must subscribe our channel and give us support. and your love. Thank you for watching the video.